Good morning, class 2 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Welcome back to English class. Now it's a fine story, mangoes and guavas. Read this story carefully from your Oxford course book at page number 79. Now I will tell you a summary of this story, and now enjoy this story. It's a fine story, very interesting. But who are the main characters of this story? Perumal, an honest man, okay? He is the main character of the story. Next, a snake. It is green in color, okay? Next, a sailor, captain of a ship, okay? A sailor. And Rafu, a wicked person. He was also dishonest and greedy. Now, let's start it. What happened? One day Perumal was sitting on the river bank, and he is playing his flute. He was playing his flute, and suddenly a green snake appeared there and it began dancing. Okay, একটা green snake আসলো আর dancing শুরু করে দিল. And after dancing, he said, Perumal, your music is very sweet. Okay, I like your music. And the snake every day gave Perumal a gold coin. প্রত্যেক দিন একটা করে gold coin দিত পেরুমালকে. And this way Perumal became rich and built a new house for him to live in. একটা নতুন হাউস তৈরি করলো সেই gold coin দিয়ে সেটাই সে থাকতো, and he lived very happily. খুব আনন্দে থাকতো. One day a sailor came and he found with his telescope, সে telescope দিয়ে দেখতে পেল, okay, that the mangoes in December, and he asked me, is mangoes in December a mango? It's impossible. And he met Perumal and asked, mangoes, your mangoes are very fine. Perumal said, they are not mangoes, they are guavas. Well, no, I saw it, they are mangoes. Okay, so the captain of the ship came to the Perumal's garden, and he was now again, he became wondered, what happened? Mangoes turned to guavas. Then the captain said, oh, I have lost my ship, because the captain said that if they are not mangoes, I will give my ship to you. তখন বলেছিল যে আর যদি ম্যাঙ্গোস ওগুলো না হয় তাহলে আমি আমার শিপ দিয়ে দেবো, কিন্তু এসে দেখলো না সেগুলো ম্যাঙ্গোস নয়, গুয়াভাস হয়ে গেছে. ওকে, then Perumal said, Perumal, he was very honest. He বলল, no, I will not take your ship is yours. বলছে তোমার শিপ তো তোমারই, আমি নেব না কো. And the captain was very happy and invited Perumal to have a dinner on his ship. তার শিপেতে তাকে ডিনার করতে ডাকলো. Then there was a wicked person named Rafu. Okay, Rafu is very wicked and also dishonest and greedy. He heard all the story about the snake and the Perumal's gold coin. সে পেরুমালের গোল্ড কয়েন আর সেই স্নেকের সব স্টোরিটা শুনে ফেললো. And Rafu again met Perumal and said, your mangoes are fine. But Perumal said, they are not mangoes, they are guavas. Okay, then Rafu বলল, no, they are mangoes. But if they are not mangoes, then you have to give me your house and also the tree. Perumal agreed. And what happened? Rafu was very wicked. He came to Perumal's house silently and gave some medicine into Perumal's food. Perumal's food কিছুটা মেডিসিন দিয়ে দিল. Perumal slept for a long time, and the day and the next day and also the night. একদিন পুরো সারা দিন প্লাস রাত্রিটা পেরুমাল ঘুমিয়ে কাটিয়ে দেয়. ঠিক পরের দিন যখন ওঠে, he saw that there were mangoes in the trees, and Perumal had to leave the house, and he bought some goats and a small house to live in, and Rafu lived in the big house of Perumal. Rafu Perumal সেই বড় হাউসটা থাকতে শুরু করে, আর পেরুমাল চলে যায়, কিছু ছাগল কিনে নেয়, গোটস কিনে নেয়, and live in a small house, একটা ছোট হাউসে থাকতে শুরু করে. And when the spring again came, spring যখন আবার চলে আসলো, the snake came back. স্নেকটা আবার ফিরে এসেছিল. And Perumal told the snake about Rafu. তখন রাফুকে বলল, and the snake gave a diamond to Rafu. The snake gave a diamond to Perumal. পেরুমালকে আবার একটা ডায়মন্ড দিয়ে দিল. And said that Perumal, go and show this diamond to the wicked Rafu, and said him that from this time the trees will bring mangoes for 2 days. Okay, so Perumal go to Rafu and said that the tree will give mangoes in the next day. If I am wrong, so you have to give me my house back. And Rafu is very greedy. He saw the diamond and he feel greedy and he বলে yes yes. অ্যাকচুয়ালি রাফুর কি উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে যেরকম করে হোক ও যদি আবার শর্তে হেরে যায় আমি ডায়মন্ডটাকে নিয়ে নেবো ওর কাছ থেকে। তখন কি করলো পেরুমাল, and the next day Perumal came to his garden and saw that there were mangoes. Rafu was astonished and Rafu had to leave his house, and there Perumal again got his house back and lived happily, and every day he again played the flute and the snake danced. Okay, so this is the gist of the story. And what the story, what is the message for the story, do you know? Look, Perumal honest and Rafu dishonest. দেখো dishonesty থেকে রাফু অনেক কিছু পেয়েছিল বাট হি কান্ট অ্যাচিভ দেম, কিন্তু সেইগুলোকে কিছুতেই ধরে রাখতে পারলো না। ওকে, সো দিস স্টোরি মার্কস দ্য ভিক্টরি অফ অনেস্টি ওভার ডিসঅনেস্টি। অনেস্টির যে ডিসঅনেস্টির উপর জয় হয় সেই স্টোরিটার মাধ্যমে এটা দেখানো হয়েছে। ওকে, ইজ দ্যাট ক্লিয়ার? সো রিড দ্য স্টোরি কেয়ারফুলি at home and also write the question answers in your copybook. Like your first question is, what did Perumal play? Perumal played his flute. So Buster roj bajato. Okay. What things did the snake give Perumal? The snake gave Perumal a few gold coins and diamond. That diamond dichilo and gold coins dichilo. Okay. So write the question answers in your copybook and read carefully. Okay. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Tata.